Hey everyone, I'm a local appliance repair guy, and today I'm dishing out the secrets to buying a refrigerator in 2025. You see all these shiny new fridges? They look great, but trust me, looks can be deceiving. I've seen tons of refrigerator problems in my day. So, let's avoid that headache, shall we? Tip number 1. Ice maker location. Freezer is king. First, ice makers. You can get them in the fridge or the freezer. Freezer ice maker's the way to go. Why? It's colder, more stable, and less prone to clogging. Refrigerator ice makers are trouble. You want ice? Go freezer. Tip number 2. Brand matters, the good, the bad now, brands. LG, Kenmore, Samsung, they have cool features, but we see a lot of them in our shop. Compressor failures, control board issues, and ice maker problems. No thanks. Also, getting parts for them can be a real pain. These American brands are your friends. The Whirlpool, Frigidaire, KitchenAid. They're reliable, built to last, and parts are easy to find if needed. Whirlpool is a workhorse. Frigidaire is solid. KitchenAid is your premium, reliable choice. Quick tips. Size. Get the right size for your kitchen. Type, French door, side-by-side, top freezer, pick your style. Energy Star, save money on those bills. Features. Don't get distracted by the bells and whistles if you are not planning to use them. Don't get fooled by fancy marketing. Choose a reliable refrigerator from a trusted brand. Your future self will thank you.